Pachber asubitanga na Ibaren bala ya abongunti kwap konya pone cholong LC5 Katakwi Geoffrey Molo ngesi bala asubiti bale jaso bakira julakin
ijaru masbe ineras bale koso basomno echokonoi do district le dunya kede karamoja so nga koto ngai lipa kugani kopan kwete piedo ebutona kop ngese di sharmut koto pai kisikiar ne kapaina aitere kana kire jautonle
Balomolo ejulakina koko na narai etalana aisubis do kwana idwelo abongo somero epote ayatakindo enga stilo kwa edunya talo karamojam
somodi karamoja chwana koko edo soma simun ange group lo akitu jele to kwa ko baranen kagwela ratipe ya business polo ito soma ete kagweli barane pakina yenga na karamoja ngesero na kerate masane do lo somero narai karamoja lui polo epero sabunera koko lailo rasa tomona so eda otai kobarane kobarete bakani niche so duche poto yeng ese polo rakoko kopani kope tuartere raini ngosne polo ese koto ajore ayata kita choikena
ala disi Katakwi meja Godfrey Katamba ngese chamuntebe ekotayo ala jangakin bobo moto district
example is of Bongongo ja in Bratum parish on 12 where the Kejong warriors with 4 AKs abducted the one called Moses and took him with his 9 cows. He was grazing, but later on it was an attempted abduction where he was later on released, but the cows were taken. That's the recent example. Then yesterday at night was an attempt in Magoro where the Kejong, I think the Piyan wanted to attempt to raid cows, but they failed. It was an aborted raid. Because of the vigilance of UPDF, they were able to be repulsed. But I can tell you that I think what is bringing again the resurgence of raids within Teso region is the fact that I think there is holidays.
Kwenye ikotiboro nenda ebalangesi ebe ekapakina jore airebo da tionisina na ngata kakalu erokemunara do chot.
So this time around, having been beefed up with security, reinforced by security, we assure the public that we shall endeavor to ensure that we bring raids to the minimum level. That's what I can say. We have the capability. Myself, I'm a major, I'm a military man, and therefore I will invoke my military tactics to ensure I support the army to curtail that price.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Francis Ochen, TV East Katakwi.